Are you feeling anxious about the future after this lockdown period? Do you want to use this lockdown period more productively? This video I'm going to be sharing about how you can remove your anxiety and use this lockdown period more productive for you. I'm going to be telling you a story of two fishes. This is the life of two fishes living in a tank. They live their life so happy, contented and comfortable in the tank. And whatever food they got in the tank, they just ate and then operated within the tank limits. Now here is what happened one day. These two fishes were left into an ocean. They were perplexed as to the atmosphere of the ocean, which was very new to them. Here is two choices for them. One, they can just go ahead and explore the ocean, or two, still think about their life in the tank and keep operating within that limits. This is what fish number one did. The fish number one made up its mind to go forward and explore the ocean. It thought that it never got hurt, so it moved little more further. And one day it was just having the complete ocean of opportunities explored and living a happy and successful life in this ocean. Whereas in the case of fish number two, it was still not having the courage to explore the ocean. It was just operating within the limit of the tank. And what really happened was, when it could not move further, it just had to survive within this tank limit in the ocean. It did not get the food it was requiring, it did not get the opportunities that it had, or it could not survive very long and it had to die there. Now here is a question for you. Do you want to live like the fish number one or fish number two? Obviously you all wanted to be like the fish number one, right? Now here is what you can do during this lockdown period. You have two choices. One, to explore the ocean of opportunities that is available before you, apart from the limited opportunities that you were operating in your earlier life. Or two, you can still think about the limits that you are currently facing and still operate within your comfort zone. So I'm going to be telling you the 3 steps that you can take up to live your life like fish number one. The first step is you need to find your gaps. The gap that is currently not letting you operate in your full potential. Once you identify those gaps, get into the solution mentality or finding the right solutions to reach the people or to produce your service or ensure that your life is getting more productive. Once you started finding your solutions, the third step is the most important step of taking action. Take action, move little further, and finally what will happen is the ocean of opportunities that you never even imagined about will be open to you. I'm Dr. Purni. I'm a happiness and success coach, and I've been doing a lot of face-to-face live programs for schools, colleges and corporates. But after this lockdown period, I really thought that industry is currently going to be obsolete for some time till this lockdown period is going to get over. Now I had two choices, thinking like the fish number one or thinking like the fish number two. I chose to think like the fish number one, and I have now started doing a lot of WhatsApp courses, webinars, and also this YouTube channel had been started only after this lockdown period. Now here is what you can also do for yourself. Stop worrying, take action, and explore the ocean of opportunities that is available for you during this lockdown period. Here is my question for you. How do you plan to make this lockdown period more productive for you? Please post your answers in the comment section below. That will also help other people get idea and move forward in an inspiring way in their lives. And if you like this video, please like it, and if you found it useful, Also share this video to all the people who will really get benefited from this, and do not forget to subscribe for this channel so that you will be getting more and more